Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Nasreen Vlogs. Today I am going to make sesame ladoo. It is traditional recipe in kitchens of Tamil Nadu. In Tamil we call it as chimili urundai. In Urdu we call it as Tilvat. First wash the sesame seeds and filter the water. Then transfer into a pot and dry roast it in a medium heat. When the sesame seeds completely dry and splatters, then transfer into a mixie jar. Now the sesame seeds is splattering. Transfer into a mixie jar. And take the same amount of peanuts and dry roast the peanuts and peel off the skin and transfer into the same mixie jar and blend the sesame seeds and peanut mixture. Now we adding brown sugar. Instead of brown sugar you can add jaggery. Now the sesame seeds ladoo mixture ready.
Mommy, it's so good. Good, Mama.
Subscribe this channel, like, share and comment.